Something new is brewing in Bavaria. BMW is taking a bold step into the lightweight adventure segment. And we've just caught our first glimpse of it. This is the BMW F450 GS, spotted undergoing road testing. And while it's still heavily camouflaged, there's no hiding the fact that BMW is preparing an all-new entry-level GS. Powering this machine appears to be a brand new 450cc single-cylinder engine, likely tuned for versatility and torque, ideal for both urban commutes and off-road trails. The bike features a rugged ADV stance, a high-mounted front fender, and long travel suspension. Up front, we spot a compact LED headlight and what seems to be a small TFT display, in line with BMW's current tech-savvy approach, possibly including ride modes, ABS, and smartphone connectivity. The side-mounted exhaust and minimalist rear section point to a lightweight build. Expect this F450 GS to tip the scales well below its larger GS siblings, making it more accessible and agile. BMW hasn't officially confirmed the F450 GS yet, but this test mule suggests a world premiere might not be far off, maybe as soon as EICMA. Will this be the ultimate small-capacity adventure bike? Stay tuned as we track the evolution of the F450 GS. If you enjoyed this exclusive preview, hit like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on the F450 GS and the latest Interhool innovation.